here, girls, is the little thing where you can see the birds. So we have Lefty and Lucky. Pause the screen if you want to read that. You could go to that website.
You can see them from over here, good, lady.
Yeah. Oh. Look, you see that little thing right there? You see the dead thing on the, that's a little dead bird they left in there for it. Aren't they beautiful? So regal. Do you think I could get my boyfriend to build me one of these? Here's the black vultures. You can read that.
Well, you can turn his head at us.
Woo. There's one down there.
Okay, I was wondering if he had a little buddy. Okay, there he is.
He's pretty in a creepy way.
I was just thinking how much work it was to build this.
Yeah, I want one of these for my birthday. When I have my own house, we're building this. And I want to have a pretty tree house with birds. There's some birds. You can pause the screen to read.
Man, what kind of owls are those? What kind of barn owls?
Yeah, those are the dead birds that I saw them using earlier. And there's the little bird bites. That's their food. Aren't they pretty? I know that's not the sound an owl makes, but I have changed clothes. I got wet at the waterfalls and I needed an outfit change. There's a little waterfall right there, girls. Ooh.
How can you find out if this is ready?
I'm not sure. Or the
That chase guy, is that who you want? Let's go.
Yeah.
I bet you can see it on your pictures.
Look, man.
There's a vulture. There's another beauty. Hello. Let's look at their sign. Remember, you can pause the screen and read it. And then I'm going to let you read this. Pause the screen in 3, 2, 1. Pause the screen in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Look how beautiful. This is so fun. Getting a video for the girls. I am happy. I got to see birds and I got to get in a waterfall. Here's the owls' names. You can pause the screen to read it. There you go. Yeah, that's a sucky view. Ooh. It looks like Callie.
Hey, Gavin, look at him turn his head. It does look like Callie ears on it.
It looks like baby Callie. Dad just farted. Smells like an open septic tank. God, Dad. Jeez. Dad just killed the great horned owls with his fart.
They flew away to escape.
Do you see any little bird bites? And probably not.
Red-tailed hawk is not home.
Well, there's nothing in this one, but usually it's 2 red-tailed hawks. And you can pause the screen to read it. And then here's an info chart. Pause the screen in 3, 2, 1. Pause the screen in 3, 2, 1. And yeah. I love y'all. Be safe. Bye.